Bang! What's up, loser? Um, it was a successful day for two reasons. First one, we closed at highs. First time we done this at a decent number in quite some time. Um, so very happy with that. And so my two goals yesterday were to close at highs and not make the same stupid ass mistakes that I made yesterday. So today was a success. Didn't make the most money I've made, but it was a decent day considering the opportunity. I obviously could have made more, but it was a decent day, and overall I'm happy with it. 42% win percentage, obviously not the best, but almost a 3-to-1 winner to loser. So I made up for it, and then it all came from ASST and GPUS. So, yeah, start off on ASST. A lot of the money that I made on ASST I don't have recorded because it was in the last hour of market, but yeah, I was taking a small size right there just to make sure I wasn't lagging.
You can't see the halt level, can you?
Um, but
It has a
yeah,
short halt band.
the halt levels fucked up on this thing. You couldn't see the halt levels, and I knew that it was gonna have tiny halt bands because closed below 75 cents yesterday, so that kind of sucked. Not knowing where the halt levels are at on a stock this volatile, and knowing that the halt bands are small, makes it a little tough to trade confidently, but yeah. I know I caught a decent one um, right here, but I know that I sold soon because, oh, I guess you could see the hollow at this point. I figured I still couldn't. Right here, 83 is that previous candle high. Holding it there pretty high, so when the buyers came in again, I bought. Sold when it wasn't gone. For a small loss, but I thought it was worth it. Still holding it high, buyers are coming in, bang.
Why couldn't I see it the whole time and then?
I'm really mad for no reason. I still caught, what was that? 4 cents. It's a decent trade. Usually on a stock that price, I would be using
Bro, how do I?
more size, but it's a little crazy. PURI didn't end up trading this one. GPUs was it was grinding all day long. It wasn't the easiest to read, but definitely some opportunity here. Just moving a little bit more grindier. Spilled water on myself. Hold on, was right there, 603. Well, they posted. Let's see the first trade I took on it. It's almost new candle. A lot of buyers coming in. Look like they're gonna go try to break 6. Could have sold that a second earlier, but um, let's see. Let's see the exciting stuff. This thing out of the halt. I think it. Oh, it just halted straight down. Boom. Nothing exciting there. Got a decent one on GPUs. Actually held it longer too, let's see. Through 7 is what we need, looking for the first dip probably. There it is, looks like it's holding around. Oh. Added there when they were holding it. Mid 70s. As new candle is opening too, so I figured we'd just continue this trend. So I'm trying to give this one a minute for the 7 break. Trying to hold it. Then I was like, oh, it's not looking as strong as I want to. Still not, so I sell it there, and then of course continues to push through. It's my
Now it
bad,
goes,
but
right?
still a good trade. Just sold a little early. And then through 7 right here.
Oh, fuck off.
Kind of tricky. It felt like half the time when it would dip and hold. It would dip and hold very strongly, and then you'd buy. Half the time it would flush,
Nice.
half the time it would start grinding back up. But if you waited for the buyers to come in, here are the buyers, the price has already shot up, and if you add here, once again, 50-50 chance that it comes back down anyway, so it's kind of tough to scalp. But yeah. What else? What else? Let's see this trade. Oh, we did catch it through 7. Should probably be trading a little more shares on this thing. I think I do size up to like 200. But they held it higher this time. A lot of buyers are coming in. Sold it there, 96 to 11, 15 cents. Decent trade there. Definitely should have had more shares. Ba-ba. Looking for a bigger dip.
Okay, fucking.
Oh yeah, take this bigger dip into the 650s.
You're such
Looked
a
like they were holding it
fucking
there,
asshole.
and I kind of insta sold for no reason. I'm not sure why. Maybe I felt
Asshole.
like I bought as it was still falling.
You're such a fucking asshole.
Yeah, the buyers weren't coming in as quick as I would like to, but that's one of those that I need to hold for at least a few seconds if it continues to. Obviously, if it's not falling down in my face, but yeah, definitely should have given that one another minute. Could have been an easy 10 center. ASST on hold. My brain wasn't firing fast enough to fully capitalize out of these halts. But I am happy because I did recognize that and just decided I'm just not gonna. I just wasn't being too risky. I was buying on the trades that I felt very confident on.
Oh, they just pushed.
Like that one wasn't a great trade. Buying really high. Thought it was gonna break 2 there. Thought it was gonna do it again.
Oh, fuck you.
Then it does it there. They just continue to hold it high. Look at that. They held 99 there for a minute.
Oh
Definitely
my
should have
god, I
re-added.
just got filled at the eyebrows.
On me. Did I watch all this?
Why am I loaded? I hate
Strong
this.
bounce off the 60s. We need over 90. Back through 7, 714. Buy it there through 90.
just stop it.
I get out 89.
I should be re-adding. Ooh. So it's a little sketchy there for a second, but now I should be looking to add either 90 or through 14. Not sure why I didn't add there. Bang. Yeah. I gotta be taking more stabs here. Kind of just watched all this because I didn't feel like I had a good read on it. Here's a step into the teens. Held at 20. And this bitch unhalted.
What's called unhalting? Fuck me.
Yeah.
Coming over to it late.
I'm just gonna stay on this for now.
Boom. Straight into their halt up. This thing was just halting like crazy today, and then it pittered down for a while. Let's see, do I have it? Yes, it is. Yeah, I was halting like crazy out of the open. I mean, there's like fucking 10 halts within here. And then it was, I think we stopped trading it here. And then this, where's the next halt? When it halted at 18 right here, I think is when we started trading it again. Yeah. But yeah, it was looking like it was chugging down for most of the day, but then it was holding here. So we figured probably make another move if it does halt up again. Start going towards highs, and then it did. I was able to capitalize, not on like all of it or even a lot of it, but just on enough to get some decent profit out of it for myself. Bum, 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 bum. Straight into a halt down on that thing. Size down because my confidence is way down now. Way out of there. It held 209 twice. Buyers came in. Add at 15. Let's see this. Yeah, my brain was firing on all cylinders. This is a decent trade on this thing. Over 36. Bang. Very decent trade. After this bottoming tail, this candle opened up a little bit higher and was holding. Buyers came in through over the previous candle high. Sold it a little early once again. Through 50 though, quick dip then through. I like that stab, quick sell when it doesn't go. Don't mind that at all. Still holding it here. Ooh, buying high there. Oh, new candle opened up. Buyers are coming in after this one closed super high. Risky, but and then of course it goes this time. Should add it back noob through 68. Another unholt. This thing was just wild, and then it would teleport down into the hold down level. So that was the main thing that I was scared of, and why I wasn't taking as many trades. Is just being scared of taking a big loss when it teleports down into the hold down. But definitely could have been more active, and probably would have been if I was feeling all there mentally. Ooh, do we take a?
The hell?
Oh, I caught this one. Let's see it. Go back a little bit. Halt level's right there at 45. This kind of closes green. I'm definitely liking it. It does. Holding high, buyers come in. Yeah, that one's just one that's they're not letting it fall after every other time it was like coming down a lot. Candle closed green. New candle open, held high. Buyers came in. Pushed to the halt level.
Bang.
Pattern recognition. Through 8. That one is a break 8. Doesn't break 8 before this unhalts. Coming out of a halt down. Ooh. See, I'm still making some dumb mistakes that I should not be making, like buying a high risk name high. That one was out of a new candle again when it was holding high, but the buyers didn't really come in, and it's a lot higher risk to reward. So it does end up going, but high of 45, halts at 43. I'm thinking go push the halt first, over highs and then halt it, but it looks like they're actually gonna stick it here, and they do.
Line right here on
Bounces off that lower trend line, but I'm late to it on GPUs. 8 bust. New candle's about to open up. Okay, closes high. Little dips and through 8. Holding high, but also holding down 90. Want to see something strong to get in for the 8 break. Still holding it here on both sides. Ooh. Definitely should add it here. It did not let it fall below 85 for more than a half second.
Oh my god.
And then they fake it
Fucking
out for the
break
8
8
break.
for me,
Hold higher.
motherfucker.
Yeah. Quick sell. I don't mind that trade. Looked like they were holding it higher. Still holding it up here. Ooh. See, like this thing just felt, I don't know. Just a lot of fake outs. A lot of times you'd think it would go and it would do the opposite. But this one, bang! New candle open up in the buyer, and it continued to hold high. A lot of buyers are coming in here. Gotta take that stab, and it paid off. 10 cents. I think that's like all the money I made on it. Might have gave some back, then made a little more, but that's about it
Bro,
on
I
that
should.
one. Caught this one though. Let's see it. Unhalting, 45 is the high. Unhalts, boom, taps 50, quick dip. Holding it. Nope. Still holding it 43. Okay. Oh, strong all the way back up though. Sucking back up.
I just saw.
Bang.
Bro, I should be fucking.
Anything I could have gotten a little earlier there, but I should have been buying earlier on this. On this resuck, but I don't know. Kind of paid off because I probably would have sold early and gotten faked out, but then when I saw it was actually coming back up through 49, like this high, and this strong, I was like, all right, gotta take the chance. It is high, but it came up high and didn't come back down here, and then more buyers come in.
Bro, I should be fucking.
Bang bang. Only had 390 shares. That
I
could have
should
been.
I just sold, bro.
10 cents. That
should
could have been
be
65
fucking,
bucks instead of 40. But we'll take it. And then kind of just stayed here for a while. Made a little bit, gave back a little bit. And then I made the rest. I kind of hovered between 120 and 100 for from like 8 to noon, and then when ASST started going again, I was able to capitalize on that. But I think that's like just about all I traded. Ooh, why are we trading it down here? Like, these are the kind of losses. Obviously, I can always trade better, and I'm sure like it was just a dumb trade, and I definitely could be making money on this backside down here. But it's like, it's not necessary, and if I don't have a lot of confidence in these trades, there's no point to take them, because like 75% of the time it seems like I'm giving back around this time when I'm taking these trades that are when the stock isn't as strong. So definitely gonna be more selective today. I was gonna be more selective after, the morning volume kind of drops off a little bit. I was today and it paid off, so I want to try to continue to do so in the future. But yeah, that's all I have on recording for the most part. Just playing the Wordle and everything. But when I closed at 105, and then I should say I stopped the stream at 105, and then end of the day 150. So yeah, like I said, successful day. Closed at highs and didn't make too many of the same stupid ass mistakes that I made yesterday. So yeah, hopefully we can continue to do that tomorrow. Peace.